Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError int object does not support item assignment. This error occurs when you try to assign a value to an item in an object that is of type int, integer. In Python, integers are immutable, which means their values cannot be changed after they are created. For example, consider the following code. When you try to run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, we are trying to change the value of the first item in the integer number to 2, which is not possible because integers do not support item assignment. To fix the error. TypeError int object does not support item assignment. You need to make sure you are not trying to assign a value to an item in an integer. If you are trying to change the value of a specific item, you need to use a mutable data type such as a list or a dictionary. Here's an example of how to use a list to change the value of an item. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output. In this example, we create a list of numbers and then change the value of the first item from 1 to 6. The output of the print statement will be 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are not trying to change the value of a specific item, you may need to modify your code to work with integers in a way that is consistent with their immutable nature.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.